This is gonna blow your mind. Corruption in Zimbabwe is more than just a problem. It's a crisis. Hello, my name is Hopewell Zvaaida, a Zimbabwean journalist and documentary filmmaker. Today, on African Union Anti-Corruption Day, I want to share my story. I've exposed corruption in Zimbabwe for years, revealing a system where the government itself is the chief architect of deceit. I've been jailed 3 times for my efforts to shine a light on the crimes of the ruling ZANU-PF political elites. Fighting corruption is tough, but essential. It's heartening to see young Zimbabweans stand up against this injustice. Yet it saddens me that political elites, both in ZANU-PF and the opposition, remain silent. Zimbabwe is now a nation crippled by corruption. Millions have died, hospitals crumble, 95% of people are jobless, clean water is a luxury and infrastructure is in ruins. But there is hope. What are you doing to fight and expose corruption in your space? Together we can reclaim our nation from the grip of corruption. Stand up, speak out, make a difference.